going to be making a new video about building Discovery, the space shuttle. Shuttle. So, and it also has a space telescope, which is called the Hubble. Let's start building. The launch and deployment of the Hubble Space Telescope in April 1990 marked the most significant advancement in astronomy since Galileo's telescope. It was the first major optical telescope to be placed in space, the ultimate mountaintop. Scientists have used Hubble to observe the most distant stars and galaxies, as well as the planets in our solar system. Did you know the Hubble Space Telescope is responsible for the deepest images of the universe recorded, which contains some galaxies over 13 billion light years away? 5 Space Shuttle orbiters made up NASA's Space Transportation System fleet: Columbia, Challenger, Discovery, Atlantis, and Endeavour. Combined, they flew 135 missions carrying 355 people into space. Discovery flew the most missions, carrying the highest number of passengers while traveling further and higher than the other orbiters. It was also Discovery's assignment to launch and deploy the Hubble Space Telescope in April 1990 as part of the STS-31 mission. And 2021 is the 40th anniversary of the Space Shuttle program. The Space Shuttle program was driven by the need for reusable spacecraft that could carry large payloads into orbit. Now that the Space Shuttle program shut down, NASA is working on SLS to get people back to the moon, and Elon Musk is working on Starship to get people to moon and to Mars. So I wanted to tell you some amazing things about this Lego Space Shuttle, which is Discovery. First, if you push the body flap, it opens the landing gear. Second, if you turn the third engine and move these flaps to turn the space shuttle. And this is the landing brake, the air brake, that slows the space shuttle down when it hits. It also have a parachute, but Legos can't have parachutes, so it's okay. And then we open up this. Here's the Canadarm. I started yesterday night on this and finished this night. It's currently 8:58. So I wanted to show you some more cool stuff. Like you can take out this and you can see inside the module compartment. And here's the mid compartment, the mid deck. And also, under here are RC thrusters right here and up here. And there are also a bunch of them back here. Also, these are the three main engines that got their fuel out of the main fuel tank, the orange main fuel tank, that would be on the back of the space shuttle until it reaches space. These OMS motors were used to get into orbit and deorbit. And my favorite part is that this wasn't just used to move around the payload. This was used to carry around astronauts. It was also used to check if everything was okay before re-entry. It was also used to move around astronauts. And there's big mirrors here because it's for deheating all the computers inside here. So as you can see here in the book, it shows the Hubble Space Telescope was one of the biggest payloads in all of the Space Shuttle program. And as you can see in this Imagine, we can also recreate that with the Legos. We recreated the Imagine from the picture in the book. It's easy to recreate it. Sometimes it's hard. To me, it was easy. If you've seen my Legos video, then you know all my other things that include space, like my International Space Station and my Saturn V. But I think this is my favorite. It has the most details. Guys, as you know, I love space. And my collection of Lego space things is growing by the months. And my Saturn V is the tallest. International Space Station, the brightest, has lights. And Discovery, guys, I really like making videos for you. And if you haven't yet, like and subscribe. This is the end of the video. So bye, guys.